Okay, so ano ba yung mas healthy, tubig or soda, no? So, by the way, I'm Julian Valiao, a registered nutritionist and dietitian. Ang soda kasi, colored drinks or yung mga carbonated beverages, mataas sila sa sugar. So, well, to make things short, pag uminom ka palagi ng soda, colored drinks, or carbonated beverages, syempre may tendency na kapag meron kang health condition, magkaroon ng problema sa blood sugar level mo. Another thing is mataas siya sa artificial flavorings, and then at the same time, hindi siya nakakatulong sa bone growth. No? May scientific study doon, pero next time I'm going to highlight it. The difference between soda and water, no, tubig, no, ako mas much recommended ko, magtubig na lang kayo. Pagkakain kayo sa labas or nasan man kayo, no, tubig na lang. Bakit? It hydrates your body, no? It adds up, you know, a helpful way to rehydrate your body kapag araw-araw kayong kumikilos, gumagalaw, or marami kayong ginagawa, lalo na pag busy kayo. And at the same time, even though it's 0 calories, it's required for bodily processes, no? I would say water is much better, drinking water is much better than drinking cola drinks or soda. But again, I'm not restricting you or I'm not telling you to avoid it. Just drink soda or cola beverages occasionally or in moderation. And then prioritize drinking water. Have a great day, guys!